So it seems like today, Charles is gonna get some clips of me.
Yes. And I'm gonna watch.
All right, I'm going in the dome.
Oh shit!
We ready to shred, baby. This wind is a little daunting. Windy day. Oi! Windy! Oh. GoPro footage.
It's the present moment now, but that's in the future. But when that's in the future, that's going to be in the present moment. So really, the future doesn't exist. Only the present moment does.
There is only now. We are simply spiritual beings having a human experience. But for us, we're spiritual beings having a snowboard experience.
I'm a spiritual experience having a human. Hi. Hey.
Hi, future Charles. We got Liam.
What up?
Oh no, I forgot.
Hudson.
Hudson. Liam and Hudson.
Yes, sir.
We'll catch a little double follow. Oh, Hudson, what's the line been?
Oh, I think we're gonna try backslide on the down
The down tube?
right here, and then we're gonna try a nose butter 5
Okay.
on the jump to the right,
Aight.
and then maybe a switch up, maybe maybe front swap to switch on the other down tube, and then just hit the elbow, see what happens.
Sweet.
See if we got it.
Right now, even the small line is too slow, man.
Could not get any speed for any.
Yeah, I know. Liam and Hudson, baby. That was boosted, yo. That was huge, Hudson. Yeah, dog. Yo, you guys gonna jump in this pool? Yeah. I'll go under. She's cooking, baby. William popped in the back. Yeah. I need to put it back on super wide. Yeah, boys. All right, I gotta hit lunch, boys. Enjoy the day. I'll hit you up on Insta. See how some of that turned out. Woo. GoPro, stop recording. Yup. She's dead. I'm a sad puppy right now.